Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Tcat token. Ticker symbol is Tcat. Now this is a brand new token that is live for pre-sale on their webpage. This is an ICO, an initial coin offering for this brand new cat meme coin. We're going to go over the information on the Tcat token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So I saw this article on CryptoTimes.io advertising this token. There's a big news article talking about this token with a link to their webpage. Name of the token is Tcat, because I guess he loves trolling. And ticker symbol is Tcat. The webpage is trollercat.com. And it says you can get on the white list now. So this is how brand new this pre-sale is. It's not even really started yet. It's talking about getting on a white list. So basically you go to trollercat.com if you want to get involved with this pre-sale. It says whitelist your email now. So you put in your email and then click whitelist now. And then hopefully, if you're really interested in getting this token, you get a spot on the whitelist, which then gives you potential to join the pre-sale. Now, I believe this token is on the Ethereum blockchain. So when the pre-sale does start, if you're looking to get this token, you will need a wallet that could store Ethereum tokens. So you could use a Trust wallet, MetaMask wallet, Coinbase wallet. You would go to trollercat.com when the pre-sale starts. Connect your wallet to the Buy Now section. You'd first fund your wallet with ETH, and you could download a wallet from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, get a Chrome extension on your PC, and then you could fund your wallet from a central exchange. There is a list of central exchange links you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with ETH, go to trollercat.com, connect your wallet to the page, punch in how much ETH you want to spend. It'll tell you how many Tcat tokens you get for that amount. Then when the pre-sale's over, you claim your tokens. But for now, it's just an email on the whitelist. So it says Trollercat is the degenerate feline taking over crypto. Join the whitelist now for an exclusive launch update on the best upcoming crypto meme coin pre-sale. Don't get left behind when the trolls take over. So what is Trollercat? It says, forget ordinary meme coins. Trollercat is here to rewrite the rules and troll its way to the Crypto Hall of Fame, a degen-fueled revolution minted on Ethereum. This project turns trolling history into a high-stakes crypto adventure packed with humor, community engagement, and lucrative rewards. With every stage of the pre-sale, Trollercat gets closer to its ultimate mission, trolling the galaxy while making its community laugh and earn. Why join Trollercat? Well, Trollercat is more than just a coin. It's a movement powered by fun, rewards, and a sense of belonging. By joining now, you'll be part of an exclusive group of early adopters who get first access to rewards, staking opportunities, and the chance to shape the future of crypto trolling. Get involved today. Be a part of the Trollercat revolution before it's too late. Sign up with your email and stay up to date with the pre-sale details, exclusive rewards, and the launch and the mystery play-to-earn games. Don't miss out. This is your chance to join the greatest trolling adventure in crypto history. They have the smart contract address on their page, and it says transparency is key And TrollerCat doesn't mess around. Here is the official smart contract address, and it says, warning, do not send funds directly to this address unless you are donating. Seriously, your funds will be gone faster than a meme on Monday. The ultimate play-to-earn trolling experience. Think TrollerCat is just about tokens? Think again. We're bringing the next level play-to-earn games that will reward you not for just playing, but for being part of the mischief. These games aren't just fun, they're packed with utility, designed to keep you hooked while filling your wallet. But here's the twist. The details are on lockdown. Why? Because surprises are more fun, and trolling your curiosity is what TrollerCat does best. All we'll say is this. Our play-to-earn games will set a new standard for engaging, rewarding, and downright addictive gameplay. It says, ready for the reveal? Keep your eyes peeled because we will drop the full details soon. You won't want to miss it. Your time, your skill, and your trolling spirits are about to pay off like you've never imagined. So it says, built also on trust and locked in security. At TrollerCat, your safety is our top priority. We troll for fun, but not for risk. Audits have been completed, and they do have audits on their page. It says our smart contract has undergone thorough audits to ensure everything runs smoothly and securely. No glitches, no surprises, just solid code that you can trust. KYC verified. TrollerCat isn't itself has undergone rigorous KYC verification because transparency isn't just a buzzword, it's a way of life. All official documentation, including audit reports and KYC confirmations, will be available on our main website and launch for the meme coin crypto presale. Rest assured, we take security just as seriously as we take trolling. Stay connected with TrollerCat. Now, they do have a Telegram and a Twitter that you could follow. I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen there as usual, so you guys can easily find this project and this pre-sale here. It is at TrollerCat and then _. And if you want to follow the Telegram, it is at TrollerCat. Their Telegram has 986 members. 60 of them are online right now. That's a great place to join the discussion with other community members. And if you want to see updates, new memes, listing announcements, all that type of stuff, check it out at TrollerCat _ on Twitter. Blue verified checkmark, 2,691 followers. Has a link to their webpage and the Telegram right there. 93 tweets. Go check it all out. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or what? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.